If you are a photographer or someone with thousands of photos, organizing them is harder than taking them. Before we even talk about services, here's something important. Most photo libraries are full of duplicates and similar images. Using Picture Echo on Windows or Mac, you can clean those first and instantly reduce your workload. Because people typically rely on professional digitization services, photo organizing experts, cloud-based solutions, but each comes with a different cost, timelines, and limitations.
So let's compare some of the best small photo organizing services in Atlanta, starting with Memory Fortress. They are best for full service digitization and organization. They convert printed photos, VHS tapes, film slides, and offer structured digital organization. They have different prices for different services, but photo scanning starts from 49 cents per photo. Overall, they have very good reviews and they are very reliable service. Next up, we have Advanced Photo and Imaging. They're best known for high quality scanning and restoration. They focus on photo restorations and professional grade scanning. They have a very long-standing presence in the market. They always have some discount codes. And like the previous one, they have very high rating. Next up, we have Photos Made New. They specialize in small-scale projects and they handle printed photos and basic restoration and digitization. They are very ideal for smaller family collections. Next, Atlanta Photo Restoration is best for damaged or aging photo recovery. They work on restoring old and damaged prints, and they work on delicate and legacy photos. They don't have a lot of reviews, but if you want any family photo restored, they are a good option. Last on the list is Dunwoody Photo. They're best known for budget-friendly scanning and printing. They offer photo scanning and printing services. They have quite mixed reviews, but overall people are quite happy with their developed films and scans.
Before you pay for scanning, upload to cloud, or organize manually, there's a smarter step. Use Picture Echo. Picture Echo helps you detect duplicates and similar photos visually, clean thousands of images in minutes, and reduce storage costs before uploading. It works on Windows and Mac. It's also highly rated on Trustpilot, making it a trusted solution for modern photo cleanup. So a professional should be cleaning first, then organizing, and then storing.